This non-electric Brondell Swash Ecoseat Bidet seat delivers a gentle, thorough cleansing with fresh water that feels significantly cleaner than relying on toilet paper alone. Its dual nozzle layout offers separate front and rear washing positions with adjustable water pressure, so different users can fine-tune the spray to what feels most comfortable. The optional warm water hookup lets you enjoy a soothing heated wash without needing any nearby electrical outlet, which is especially helpful in older bathrooms. Installation is straightforward enough for most do-it-yourself users, with clear instructions and hardware that allow the elongated seat to be fitted in well under 1 hour. The slim profile, ergonomic seat shape, and slow closing lid make the bidet feel like an integrated modern upgrade instead of a bulky add-on. By reducing toilet paper use while running entirely on water pressure, this seat offers a simple way to make your bathroom routine more environmentally considerate.